E-bike na pang 100 kilometers na biyahe? San ka pa? Meet NXT Fusion X, ang e-bike na papalag sa lahat ng mga long distance trip mo. Fusion X is powered by NXT's regenerative charging technology. Ginagawa nitong additional battery charge ang bawat free wheel or brake sa biyahe mo. Fusion X can really go the distance from 80 kilometers up to 100 kilometers. Bukod sa napaka-futuristic design ng e-bike na ito, meron ito ng mga sumusunod: digital panel display, USB charging, reverse function, aluminum wheels, anti-theft alarm, LED na ang headlights, hydraulic shock absorber front and rear, daylight running, and standard and sports mode. Meron itong 72 volts and 32 ampere battery, 2,000 watts motor, can run up to 50 kilometers per hour. Meron itong 150 kilo capacity, disc brakes sa front and rear. Meron itong 100 by 80 by 12 tires, and dahil matigas ang sidewall ng gulong, kahit maplatan ka, kaya ka nitong iuwi. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today!